What's up, everybody? Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're here in Paramount, right outside of Skate Fanatics. I'm about to get my roller skates. I bought these, ordered these, picked them up, whatever, all of it today. So I'm gonna go inside and get them, and then I'll explain the whole story later. But oh my god, I'm here! Y'all, it's been 11 weeks. This journey has been 11 weeks long. May 23rd was when I decided I was gonna put in my order for my first pair of roller skates. This is my third pair of roller skates that I've considered owning, and I finally got them right here at Skate Fanatics. So I got the Grip Boardwalk skates in red. I cannot wait to try these on. So I'm gonna start skating tomorrow. I'm gonna try them on today. I'm gonna record a video for you. Oh my gosh, let's get home. I'm so excited, let's go. I have my roller skates now. Come up to here. I don't actually even know how to like lace these properly. You know what, I'm just gonna assume that I'm going to leave today knowing how to roller skate. Like, I think if I just operate under that assumption, I will be better, you know? I'm positively like just shaking with maybe it's either excitement or anxiety or like nerves. Maybe it's like partially I still can't believe that I have roller skate, but I feel really shaky. Not a good way to start your roller skating, huh? Shaky? Bro, why am I so nervous? Like, why am I just like shaking with anxiety right now? I love these knee pads. They look so nice and they feel really good and secure. These are the S1 Pro knee pads. Okay, I think that's how it goes. There we go. Okay, so now these are my basic elbow pads. These are my really intense wrist guards. I have this thing. All right, are we ready? So I guess I stand up. Okay, this actually looks harder than it is. So I'm gonna try to get up from here. Turn to one side, get on my knees. I'm grabbing this barely, but not really. I'm gonna put one foot up. I think I use my toe stop. Oh God. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, I kind of cheated. Whoa. I'm scared. But I guess I gotta just start, huh? I could do this. I could do this. I'm just gonna go for it. surprised that I'm not even close to as bad as I thought I was gonna be. I'm really, really grateful to have this space too, because this is a beautiful, perfect, private space that I'm gonna feel really comfortable in. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is exactly what I was hoping it would feel like. Like, I feel my focus is 1000% on what I'm doing. Like, I can't think about anything else except for skating. And it's so hard, and I've never done it before, so it's like this competitive feeling, but without any of like the negativity around it, like, why can't I do this, or why can't I figure this out? I'm tired. Like, I'm actually surprised that 45 minutes is this exhausting, but I'm really, really happy. I'm just really happy. I think I already got a tan. These skates are so comfy. I absolutely don't need to break them in or anything. This light, it looks very red, but it's like a pinkish red out there.
Can we go backwards?
They can, I can't. I'm just learning.
I like the color.
Is it what?
Hard to skate on.
This was my first day, and I just, yeah, I did a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. So I think anybody could really do it. I was never scared to fall either, and I think it was because I had all of the protective gear. So I'm really grateful that I got the protective gear before, and oh my God. What? Wait, what? Is this somebody's turtle? Oh my God. Wait, is this... Did somebody lose a turtle? Did anybody lose a turtle? This isn't even a turtle, this is a tortoise. Did you lose a tortoise? Is this your animal? Is this your tortoise? He was just walking right there. I'm gonna just go ahead and knock on some doors. Okay, I kind of got distracted by that giant tortoise outside my house. I guess one of the neighbors on the street owns a giant tortoise, and it was in the backyard, and it definitely looked like a runaway because I found the house because it was the one that had the backyard like broken out of. He was a runaway, and now I kind of regret giving him back to his owners, but anyway. Today was my first day roller skating, and it felt amazing. It was like every single thing in my mind outside of how the hell do I not fall? Like, everything else was just like melted out of my mind, and it's such a nice way to relax. You know, I feel like my body is obviously not relaxing, but my brain is just like in a whole different zone. I used to think that there's the type of people that can sing, and the type of people who are organized, and the type of people who can cook. But really, I've realized that the difference between everybody is patience and passion. Because when you're passionate about something, you're going to want to keep trying over and over again. And when you're patient with something, you're going to be okay with trying over and over again. I already can't wait to get back on my skates tomorrow. I think I'm going to go like first thing tomorrow morning. I'm so happy. I feel so grateful to the universe for everything. But today, especially, my roller skates, the resources I needed to secure them. I'm just so grateful for an opportunity to be a kid again and just enjoy life in a time where it's so hard to do that. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below. I know I'm not the only brand new skater out there. Please let me know if you're watching this. And I can't wait to share more of this experience with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.